Sit comfortably in a quiet room without distractions. Loosen any tight clothing that might distract you from relaxation during this exercise. Begin with slow breathing while visualizing a white dot of light at the center of the brain in the pineal gland. Visualize the white dot of light moving downward through the central vertical current of the body, stopping the white dot directly over the navel. With the attention at the navel, visualize the image of a blue pentagram, the fifth dimensional geomancy control code. Breathe 3 slow breaths while imagining the blue pentagram spinning toward the left shoulder, clockwise. Clockwise spin of the pentagram draws electrical energy from the fifth dimensional unified field into the second chakra. After 3 breaths, visualize the image of a white Merkaba star, 6-pointed Star of David, forming around the outside of the blue pentagram. Spin the white Merkaba star toward the right shoulder counterclockwise, while continuing to spin the blue pentagram at its center clockwise toward the left shoulder. Counterclockwise spin of the Merkaba star draws 5th dimensional frequency from the archetype identity into the 12th dimensional unified field, bonding the 5th dimensional archetype identity into the protective frequencies of the 12th dimensional avatar identity, the Christ itself. This aligns the intentions of the incarnate and the archetype identities with the intentions and evolutionary plan of the avatar identity level. Breathing slowly, allow the speed of the spinning symbols to settle into a rhythm that is natural for you. Continue to visualize the counter-rotating blue pentagram and white Merkaba star symbol code at the navel until you sense an energy fluttering sensation in the navel region. The fluttering sensation indicates that the wave patterns of the 5th dimensional archetype have begun to enter into the body via the core star crystal seal located at the navel in the morphogenetic field. When you notice the fluttering sensation at the navel, inhale and imagine the symbol code contracting into a white dot of light with a blue spark at its center, creating an image of a white-blue spark at the navel. Exhale gently, holding the image of the white dot of light with the blue spark at its center, stationed over the navel. On the next inhale, visualize a line of blue light from the blue spark at the center of the white blue spark in the navel, moving and extending upward with the inhale breath, through the central vertical current of the body and out through the 7th chakra, up to the 14th chakra, 36 inches above the head. On the next exhale breath, visualize the white-blue spark at the navel moving rapidly downward with the exhale breath, through the central vertical current, out the 1st base chakra, down through the 12th chakra, 6 inches below the feet, and deep into the 13th chakra at the Earth's core. Once the white-blue spark is stationed within the Earth's core, draw a deep breath in, then forcefully exhale, imagining the force of the breath pushing outward from the center of the white-blue spark. Visualize the white-blue spark expanding outward on a horizontal plane into the symbol code of the white Merkaba star with the blue pentagram at its center, Imagine the counter-rotating symbol, the Merkaba star spinning toward the right shoulder, the pentagram toward the left shoulder, spinning within the Earth's core as you breathe slowly once again. With your attention at the Earth's core, inhale slowly while imagining the energy from the Earth's core as well as the air filling your lungs until your lungs have reached full expansion. On the exhale breath, gently push the air and the Earth core energy from your lungs outward from the center of the spinning symbol code at the Earth's core into the symbol code, visualizing the air energy increasing the brightness of the symbol code as it forms a crimson band around the outside of the symbol code. This process energizes the symbol code and anchors its frequencies into the morphogenetic field of the Earth's core. Continue to breathe slowly on each inhale, drawing in Earth core energy, and on each exhale, pushing this energy into the image of the symbol code at Earth's core. Continue the symbol code energizing breath until the crimson band of energy around the symbol code grows more faint and finally disappears. Disappearance of the crimson band indicates that full blending of Harmonic Universe 1 and Harmonic Universe 2 frequencies has taken place, and the fifth dimensional archetype symbol code has been imprinted into the Harmonic Universe 1 morphogenetic field. When the crimson band has disappeared, inhale while visualizing the symbol code contracting back into the white-blue spark of light stationed at the Earth's core. On the next inhale, move the white-blue spark upward from the Earth's core into the 12th chakra below the feet and into the first base chakra. On the exhale, visualize the spinning symbol code expanding into the center of the base chakra. This process of symbol code induction activates the fifth dimensional archetype frequencies within the seed crystal seals of the chakra into which the symbol code is induced. On the next inhale, move the white-blue spark up the central vertical current into the second sacral chakra. On the exhale, visualize the symbol code expanding into the second chakra. Using the inhale breath to move the white-blue spark upward in the central vertical current, and the exhale breath to expand the symbol code into the chakra, repeat the symbol code induction process in the third solar plexus chakra and the fourth heart chakra. Inhale and move up to the third chakra. Exhale and expand the symbol code out into the third chakra. Then inhale and move the symbol code up to the fourth heart chakra. Exhale and expand the symbol code into the fourth heart chakra. Once the symbol code expansion has been completed in the fourth chakra, inhale again, then on the exhale, visualize the symbol code expanding outward from the fourth chakra and into the auric field, several feet out from the body. Continue to breathe, using each exhale to push the symbol code image out from the fourth chakra into the auric field until you can sense an elliptical sphere of white-blue energy building up around you several feet out within your auric field. Visualize your body as being suspended within the symbol code, and the symbol code as being surrounded by the white-blue elliptical sphere of energy. When you sense the elliptical sphere of white-blue energy around you, visualize this energy becoming a brilliant electric blue color. Continue breathing slowly. On each inhale, imagine the image of the symbol code contracting inward from the auric field toward the body and into the center of the fourth heart chakra, where it once again contracts into a white-blue spark of light. As you continue to breathe slowly, imagine each inhale breath draws white-blue energy from the white-blue spark at the center of the fourth chakra into a point of concentrated energy. On each exhale breath, exhale the energy from this point of concentration in the heart chakra, expanding the white-blue energy outward as a starburst of light into the body cells. Continue to breathe, exhaling energy from the white-blue spark in the center of the heart chakra into starbursts of light that shower through the body cells until the image of the white-blue spark dissipates, its energies fully expanded throughout the body. Now let your attention drift into the sensations generated by this exercise. Become aware of how your consciousness feels in this state of awareness. Relax and be with this mind-body-spirit state and allow the feeling of centeredness, protection, and unconditional love to fill you. Rest peacefully for a few moments with the sensation of love, peace, and protection filling your entire being. Imagine yourself encased within the spherical form of the blue-white light whenever you need to feel these qualities. In the beginning, this chelantic field mechanics exercise should be practiced twice daily, once in the morning at waking and again prior to evening sleep, until it becomes a natural part of your waking and sleeping rituals. Using an audio cassette tape recording of this exercise with headphones is recommended. Following 3 weeks of twice daily practice, the new frequency program generated by this exercise will be set within the morphogenetic field, and the progressive process of anchoring the fifth dimensional archetype identity frequencies will begin operating on a subliminal level. After this time, the exercise should be practiced 2 to 3 times per week, 1 time daily, preferably from a waking state of meditation, to establish a link between the waking and sleeping brainwave patterns through which fifth dimensional frequency can increasingly flow into the waking consciousness. After practicing this exercise for several months as suggested, you will notice your visualization of the color blue will move progressively more toward the indigo blue-violet color spectrum, which indicates you have imprinted most of the fifth dimensional frequencies into your Nada HOVA body morphogenetic field. Once the fifth dimensional frequencies are imprinted, the natural process of activating these frequencies within the DNA will begin. The activation of the archetype within the DNA and the conscious personality is regulated by the oversoul identity level, the Harmonic Universe 3 identity, and depends upon the content and condition of the silicate matrix 12-strand DNA pattern within the personal DNA. The fifth strand of the silicate matrix will be accelerated by this exercise. The fourth strand, with its attributes of astral perception and projection, will be brought into activation prior to activation of the fifth DNA strand.